How to use Ask AI for writing essays. Struggling with essay writing or just want to speed up the process? Today I will show you how to use Ask AI to write essays quickly and effectively. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to www.iask.ai. You don't need an account, but signing in lets you save your work. At the top, you will see an option that says Write. Tap on it. Once you tap it, you will see several options. Choose Write an essay. A chat box will appear where you are prompted to add the topic. Write the topic for which you want the essay. Ask AI will generate your essay. Read through it carefully and feel free to ask for edits like make it more formal or add examples. Use the essay as a draft, add your own voice and style. You can also ask AI to help with the introductions, conclusions, or specific paragraphs. Ask AI can also help you create essay outlines, summarize research papers, generate thesis statements. And that's how you use Ask AI to write essays faster and smarter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.